What's up friends, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to set a static IP address in your Windows 11 computer, right? Now how do you go about doing this? The first thing you want to do is just simply right click on the Windows icon from your taskbar here, and you want to click on settings. Now from here on the left hand side, click on network and internet, and then you want to go ahead and click on your Wi-Fi connection here at the top here. From here, you want to click on the properties of your internet. That will be the name of your internet. And as you can see, mine says little properties because little is the name of the Wi-Fi. So you want to click on that. And as you scroll down, you can see here that the IP assignment is automatic. Now, before we move forward, I want to show you something. You will need to find the IP address as well for your internet. So as you can see, this is the IP address here. So let me go ahead and copy that. And then you want to scroll back up to the section where it says IP assignment automatic DHCP. You want to go ahead and click on edit, and then you want to click the drop down where it says automatic. Click on that, and then from here you can choose to turn on the IPv6 or the IPv4. So once you toggle that, you will have all the information here. Here you can put in the IP address as you got there earlier, and you can put in a subnet mask, a gateway, preferred DNS, as well as all the other information here that you have. You have the DNS over HTTP. You can do that if you so desire, and also the alternative DNS as well. And then you can go ahead and click on save. Now, if you don't know how to understand how to fill in your subnet mask, I will be sharing a link within the description of this video so that you can know how to understand the subnet mask so that you can fill this in. And as well, for the preferred DNS as well as the alternative DNS, I'll be sharing links in the description as well so that you can get those information as well. I'm going to show you real quick what I made. So have a look at this website. Now here it explains how to specify the subnet mask, and you can find all the information that you need so that you can fill in your subnet mask as well. And in terms of the public DNS, guys, on the alternative DNS, this is the one for Google. You can fill this in, as well as I'm also sharing the one for Cloudflare as well. So you can choose the one, you can fill in the information for IPv4 or IPv6 if you so desire. And all of these three links you'll be finding below in the description of this video. So guys, I hope you found this useful. And if you do, you can go ahead, give this video a like, and let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so that you'll never miss out when I release another tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.